So I got the MRD on here now, and I just got it tuned. It's a lot faster from what my buddy just said. He just went and rode it. He wanted to ride it, so I let him do it. But you can hear the MRD. It's definitely louder than the Yoshi. I just watched him ride and it was wheeling up, so I gotta be careful. Oh shit. Damn. This thing is nuts. It's way better. So the MRD, it definitely opened up a lot. So what I was having, I was coming up to 8,000 RPMs, and it would have a lean spike on the way up, but I would come up to 8,000 RPMs and it would be fine, and then it would just drop. It would drop about 2 or 3 horsepower after it to 10. So I changed this MRD, and I actually made around 8 or 9 horsepower more because it was allowing to flow, and I could go up past 8,000. So instead of dropping after 8,000, it actually went up. It's a lot better now. I made a good amount of horsepower. I'm kind of wanting to know what other people have made, because from the looks of what I've seen, I made more horsepower than what I've personally seen on a dyno graph that anyone's shown. And the dyno I was on reads low. So I made more horsepower with it reading low. I'm very, very happy with it. Woo! That fucking pipe is burning. It's a little hot on my leg. Makes me think twice about wearing shorts. So I guess there's a motorcycle meetup here. I'll go by and check it out. So we got a decent race. That was pretty fun. There's no way I would have kept up with that top speed like that. Look at this nonsense we got here. Damn, they got smashed. So many cops right there right now. Check my tire real quick. Oh, fire truck's coming.